Morning, guys! Did you know that most people ruin their day even before it hits 9 a.m.? And the reason? Well, you probably guessed it. Imbalanced high-carbs breakfast that spike their blood sugar, leaving them tired and already reaching for a snack short after. But since we don't want to be in that group, today I will show you 5 balanced breakfasts that take under 10 minutes to prepare, deliver 440 calories with the perfect balance of carbs, proteins, and healthy fats that will keep you full and require minimal to no meal prep. So, let's get into it. For this recipe, you will need sourdough bread, eggs, avocado, oil for frying, aged Parmesan cheese, sauerkraut, salt and pepper, and lemon. Let's start by setting up a pan over medium heat. Meanwhile, get your bread ready to toast on a skillet, or use a toaster if you prefer. The main thing is to get that extra crispiness. Then crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper and give them a quick whisk. Grate about 1 tablespoon of cheddar on the side. Make sure your skillet is well heated. Add a splash of avocado oil. And gently scramble your eggs. Just before eggs are fully set, fold in the grated cheddar and stir until everything is melted and creamy. Scoop out and clean half of the avocado. Slice it so that it can be easily mashed. Add a squeeze of lemon juice for that zesty lift. Add a pinch of salt and pepper and mash everything slightly with a fork. Now spread the mixture over the bread and optionally add some sun-dried tomatoes on top. Now let's put everything together. Grab about 2/3 of a cup of sauerkraut. There are plenty of ready-to-buy options, but I personally prefer to make it at home. It's not only tastier, but also way cheaper. I will be making a separate video about top homemade staples, which are super easy to prepare. So make sure you're subscribed, hit the like button and notification bell so you don't miss it. Add a toast and scramble eggs. You can optionally sprinkle it with hemp seeds. It is so simple and I'm sure you will love it. Creamy, salty and crunchy all in one. I can't wait to taste it. So good. For next option, you'll need leafy greens, some vegetables, salt, olive oil, buckwheat, nuts and eggs. To cook my favorite porridge, I personally use pressure cooker. If you are into healthy cooking and you don't have one yet, I highly recommend making this investment. It will save you tons of time and energy. And by the way, I have my model in the description below. I will be meal prepping buckwheat for a few days ahead, so I start by rinsing 1.5 cup of buckwheat, adding 2 cups of water and 1 tablespoon of salt. Setting up pressure cooker for 5 minutes. While the buckwheat is cooking, heat the water for poached egg. You can also add a splash of vinegar to help the eggs hold their shape better. Now let's prepare everything needed for a salad. Chopping walnuts, leafy greens, and vegetables. Drizzle this with olive oil and your favorite seasoning. Now mix everything together and your salad is ready. When the water is boiling, decrease it to medium heat. Crack each egg into a small bowl, adding pinch of salt and pepper. Gently sliding eggs into the water. Keep them from sticking to the bottom by gently moving them as they start to set. Poach them for 2 minutes and then take them out. I usually let the buckwheat sit for another 5 minutes after it's done and then start to serve. Finally, assemble your plate. Layer the buckwheat, adding salad, poached eggs, and top it all with crushed walnuts. So here we go! This one is so simple and so good, I literally eat it 4 times per week, so you should definitely try it. For next option, you'll need cottage cheese, yogurt, berries, almond butter, and rice cakes. I'm using a homemade version of cottage cheese here, which is lactose-free by the way. And trust me, it's just so much tastier than the one you can find in a store. In a separate video, I will show you exactly how you can make it at home, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. This option is the easiest. Just assemble everything together, decorate with berries, evenly spread almond butter on top of each rice cake. You can optionally decorate it with almond flakes. And here we go! This one is so light, but you will definitely feel full and you will get 30 grams of proteins with this option. For next option, you'll need rolled oats, Greek yogurt, egg, natural sweetener, peanut butter, coconut oil, and berries. Grind the oats into the flour-like texture. Crack 1 egg into the bowl, add 1 tablespoon of sweetener and 3 tablespoons of yogurt. Whisk everything together, then add 1/3 cup of oat flour and whisk again. And at the end, add melted coconut oil and whisk everything together again. Now I'm just gathering the batter from the sides, letting it rest for a few minutes while the skillet heats up. Make sure the skillet is well heated on medium heat before you pour in the batter, spreading it evenly. Flip it on the other side for another minute or 2 and take it off. Then slice your strawberries and evenly spread 1 tablespoon of peanut butter over the pancake. Cut the pancake in half and top it with berries. Cover the pancake with the other half and spread it with 1 tablespoon of yogurt, covering it with another layer of berries. I also topped it with some granola from the next recipe, and trust me, it tastes just as amazing as it looks. If you are into pancakes, you will absolutely love it. And for the final recipe, you will need rolled oats, almond, pumpkin seeds, walnuts, dates, peanut butter, berries, yogurt, and chia seeds. We'll be cooking granola here, so start by soaking dates for at least 15 minutes. Preheat the oven and turn on the convection settings. Add 2 cups of oat flakes. Give the nuts a rough chop. And add to the bowl together with pumpkin seeds. Take the pits out of the dates. Pour in a 1/4 cup of water. Add 3 tablespoons of peanut butter. Now blend everything together. It should be pretty thick though. Finally, mix everything together in a bowl. Give it a good stir to ensure everything is well combined. Now prepare your baking tray. I like to scrunch the parchment paper first so that it sits better in the baking tray. And spread the mixture evenly across the surface. Bake it for another 20 minutes and stir it once halfway through. You will get perfectly clustered granola. Just let it cool to finalize the crunch and you will be ready to go. Now let's assemble the bowl. Start by adding the yogurt. Next, add chia pudding. For meal prep, soak the chia seeds the day before and leave them in the fridge. They will keep well for up to 3 days. Add fruits and berries. And 1/2 cup of granola. You can top it with almond flakes or anything you have at hand to make it look even tastier. This option is not just a great breakfast, but also a snack that you can take with you. beautiful, crunchy granola with creamy chia and juicy fruit. It will be just the perfect beginning for your day. Let's just try it. That's really crunchy. And that's it for today. Let me know in the comments which of these breakfasts did you like the most, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, bye!